The world's longest sandstone cave was recently discovered in Meghalaya, and it is 6,000 meters longer than the previous record holder. The world's longest sandstone cave, named Krem Puri, was recently discovered in Meghalaya. It has a staggering length of 24.5 kilometers, almost 3 times the height of Mount Everest, and contains some dinosaur fossils from 66 to 76 million years ago as well. Krem means cave and Puri means mermaid in Khasi language. The cave system, which is 24,583 meters long, was discovered near Lat So'um village located in the Mausandram area in Meghalaya's East Khasi Hills district. Though Krem Puri had been discovered in 2016 itself, its actual length was mapped only recently when the Meghalaya Adventurous Association (MAA) took a 25-day expedition to this end. Let us hear a gist about the cave from Dr. Bremley W.B. Lingdor, an environmentalist and a green warrior who took a short tour of the cave recently.
So, welcome to Krem Puri, which is the cave of the mermaids. We hiked for about 1 hour inside with our mobile phone torches, and this is the longest sandstone ever discovered on planet Earth. It's more than 25 miles long, and a bunch of cave adventurers, experts have come from all over the world, and they spent a week hiking inside this cave system, and they still haven't reached the end of it. So guys, welcome to Meghalaya, and I can take you for a tour of the cave, but we need proper equipment like cave diving equipment, lights, full gear, because today we are not even geared up. So I highly advise to come full gear because it's quite dangerous outside, and people could die, break their arms, break their legs inside. So the mermaid in this deepest cave in Asia looks like a mermaid tail. It's called Puri, and right now we've got like a waterfall on top of our head, a small waterfall that you can hear it on my cap, my Indiana Jones cap. So, welcome to Puri. This is proper Indiana Jones territory, and this cave is the longest sandstone cave in the world, and it's more than 25 miles long. This is Bremley Lingdor signing off from Krem Puri. Over and out. Thank you.